So this website is willing to pay you from 10 to 20 to $150 for you just posting. All you do is you post, you comment on creators videos on YouTube. People create their videos, you go and comment under them, and you are able to receive 10 to $150. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, there are a lot of this side. There's another one here. This side is willing to pay you to from 10 to 15 to $150, just posting YouTube videos. I mean, this is amazing, guys. You have to stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss out anything I'm giving in here. You understand?
Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Mama's Motivation. Of course, it's Brolin, the host. So guys, today I'm bringing to you another great opportunity I found and I would like to share with you. Yes guys, so do you know you can be able to make hundreds and thousands of dollars commenting on YouTube videos? Amazing how it sounds. You just have to comment on people's videos on YouTube and get paid. As simple as it is. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do me a favor, you subscribe, you hit the subscribe button, you like the video, and you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop another amazing video like this one, YouTube is going to notify you. So without wasting your time guys, let's ride in.
This is an example of the comments I created to comment on the videos that suits my interest. You see, I just say measure props to you for the incredible insights. You say thanks to their awesome tips, I discovered vidIQ, a game changer for any aspiring YouTuber. Dive into your channel's potential with vidIQ's tools. Just like I did, check it out here, and I posted a link of mine, and you say when anybody clicks on this link and go and register, this website is going to pay me. So guys, you have to select whatsoever you desire. For example, I come to this profile and I decide I want to promote this product. For example, this is a lens. These are lenses for iPhones or smartphones. You use this lens to increase the graphic quality of your phone. Then I sign up for an affiliate program through this website, amazon.com. I sign up, and these people will be able to give me an affiliate link once I am able to comment under someone's video. Maybe for example, the person is posting a video on YouTube and the topic of that YouTube video is how to grow your YouTube channel. If I'm seeing it, if I see something like how to grow your YouTube channel, for example, I see how to grow your YouTube channel, as you can see here, 12 days old, I just have to come and comment under. For example, what I do is I just come here, I copy my comments, I copy everything I did here, I copy, I come here, and actually I just have to
So, you want to
pretend to watch
launch
the
and
video.
grow a
Probably I
successful
can
YouTube.
watch the video or just to have that insight. And I click on my comment and I post my comment. You see, I post my comment here. That's it up there. No, so now somebody will come and read and this my comment and say, "Wow, I'm just a new YouTuber. I want to learn how to grow my YouTube channel." And this link looks promising. The person is going to click on this one, and it's going to take the person to this page. It's going to take the person to this page, and the person now have to sign up. And whosoever signs up with this my link, as you sign up and you purchase a plan, this website vidIQ will pay me. So you can imagine I post this comment and 100+ people, or even say 100+ people, click and sign up and purchase, and these people are paying me just $10 for that 100 people. I'll be receiving up to $1,000 for these people. I mean, that is good money. That is good money. There is still another one. I just have to copy and I paste my link in the comment section, and people come and read the comments, see my link, and they are interested. They click on it, purchase a product, and they the website pays me. It is very simple, guys. It is very simple. So I will encourage you, you come here. For example, I can come here and select this eye lens, this lenses for this phone. I choose whatsoever one I like. For example, this one they are selling it here for $80. Okay, if I decide to promote this lens, I can be making a profit of about $20 or 25% of whatsoever. For example, if someone purchases this lens and I'm making 25% of $80, and then imagine 100 people purchasing it, I'll make a lot of money. So guys, I'm going to put in the link in my description, link to this website where you can get to sign up and purchase an affiliate link. All you have to do is you come here and you sign in and create an account, and then you sign up for an affiliate link, and then you start using to promote your products. Remember, when commenting under someone's post, try as much as you can that their post will not look like a spam, else it will be deleted. So your post should be looking like you give some credit to the persons or the video creators. For example, this person that is creating this video, that's why I say that measure props to your incredible insight. You see, I'm giving the person some credit to let the person like feel like, wow, you're talking to me. You give the person that credit, and then the person is going to read, is not going to delete or report your comment, and people will come and click on this your link and they get paid, guys. This is something, if you put in the energy, you are going to make a lot of money within a very short time frame. Do make sure you always pay attention. Don't do it like a 1 minute something and you're expecting results. Put in the energy. Check other products. You can check products, like you can check cars, you can check every product you like, and you decide whichever you want to promote. These people will pay you and you make a lot of money. So guys, thank you so much for following with me so far. Do subscribe to this channel. You turn on the notification bell and you like the video. I would like to, if you love this video and you found this video helpful, comment in this comment in the comment section where you're watching from, so that I can reach out to you and probably do some videos to teach you more and grow your skills on earning online. Thank you, guys.